Is this the video you thought you'd be watching today? These dickheads trying to get slime off their fingers.
Oh my god. It's so slow rising. I'm so excited. I placed a massive order of squishies and slimes, and I haven't played with slime since I was a kid, and it used to come in radioactive green, and it was often in a container that looked like a toilet, and you would stick your fingers in and it would make farting sounds. So that's probably the last time that I played with slimes. And obviously these days, slimes have evolved into something completely different with the inception of the ASMR universe on YouTube. So today we're going to have a little play of some slimes, and we're going to try and make some, is it aesthetically pleasing sounds? No, what do you call it?
Aesthetics.
Aesthetically pleasing sounds? What does ASMR stand for?
Adult.
Yes, it stands for this.
Sensory.
Adult sensory marketing reasons. Without further ado, let's grab our gigantic box of squishies and slimes. I can't actually remember how many slimes I bought. There could be one in this box, or there could be multiple. I really have no memory. I just know that they're a color that I like. Before I open this up, let's have a little look at it. I want Dan to experience the squish and the slime. Dan. No, not you, Archie. There's knives around. Knives aren't safe with birdies around. Are you ready?
Sure.
So what do you know about slime?
It's sticky and messy and will ruin everything.
It'll ruin everything? And what do you know about squishies?
Not much.
Not much. Can you take a guess of what you think squishies are?
You squeeze them, they make noises.
They're not dog toys, Dan. We'll open this bad boy up. So it's full of tinsel. Oh, there's a slime there. Okay, I'm gonna hide the squishies because I don't want anyone to see the squishies yet. I think that's the only one. Did I only get one slime? Oh my god, did I? Wait, there's one. There's another one. There's a slime.
I was about to say, this video is very anticlimactic.
So I got 2 slimes, and then the rest is squishies.
I got a massive order.
A massive order!
Box of slime.
Of 2 containers of slime. Very good, Dan. You're good at this. I'm not entirely sure what we're meant to do. I think we're just meant to poke it, and it's meant to make weird clicky sounds. Clicky? I think that's a slime terminology. I remember people saying, oh, it's so clicky and it's so stretchy. Watch we look how to play with slime.
Sure.
There we go. Oh, it's the first thing that comes up.
Hey you guys, it's Blossom. And I saw this slime making.
Guys, no, please don't run away. No, God, make it stop. No. Okay, that was terrible. Why did you choose that video? Look, this one called Squishy Girls with 15,000 views.
Hi guys, so this is my first ever video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to play with slime.
So she said you need to use 3 fingers. And you poke it,
You could bring it.
and then you squish it all together. Oh, look, she's written extra on the bottom. Is it?
So you did literally only buy one.
I only bought one. Wow. Oh!
A massive slime order. Buys
Shut
one.
up, Sam. You're not invited. Go
Get
away. No! Okay, so this one is called Watermelon Crush. Wait. No, what are you doing? You're ruining everything. So we got to get that nice angle from above, like all the slime queens do. And how do I not get the legs? How do you people film these things? Like, honestly, most of them are kids. How do they have expensive enough tripods to be able to film this sort of, what?
It's still
It's
in there.
not even zoomed out enough. We're gonna figure out our technical difficulties.
Come on.
Dan! Do you want to stick your fingers in the goo or not?
No comment.
Alright, so let's...
No.
So the ASMR thing... No, come back, Daniel! You need to get the sounds. You need to get all of the sounds in the video. Shh. You'll scare the slime. Okay, are we ready? Daniel, you're making too much noise! Shh, the moment is now. Ready? Okay. Now, from memory, oh my god!
I'm concerned now.
Oh,
Is that a good oh my god or?
Oh, that feels so weird.
I get the feeling it's gonna be cold.
It's very cold. How did you know? Okay.
Well, it's like...
Okay, so I think
Yeah.
it's not making noises. Shh. Archie! Archie! Shh. Shh. Well...
It makes noises.
It does make noises.
Get it out. Bring
Get
it
it
out.
out,
Bring it out of
okay.
the box.
Okay,
Container.
what's the most pleasing way to get it out of the container? What do you...
It's coming. It just keeps on going.
That's amazing.
This is science in the making. Look at that. It's just...
Oh god, the noises. It's a goobay.
Come on, like you're making
Three
pizza.
fingers. Dan, shh, you're making noise. Alright, are you guys pleased? Ah, cheers. Okay, well, I'm really... Oh god. Oh no, don't stick to my hand. No.
Pull back away quickly. Yes. You got it.
It's almost as clingy as I am.
Part of the goo, part of the crew.
Alright guys, we need silence. Silence on set.
Hang on.
Archie, shh. It's not making noise. It's not making any noise.
You gotta finger it harder.
Alex, just stop. It's not that. The noise is coming from afar.
This doesn't look like it does on Instagram.
Ectoplasm!
Ectoplasm!
Oh,
Are you pleased? I hope you are pleased. Are you entertained? Hang on. We want to listen to the slappy sounds. Shh, shh, shh. I have a feeling we've done something wrong, guys.
No, well,
Perhaps
what
we were meant
additional
to-
steps could there be? Open your container.
I hear the word borax being thrown around a lot.
Yeah, but
Perhaps we were meant to put
no, you
borax
use
in
that
it.
to make the slime. I would assume that once you have purchased your slime, it comes pre-boraxed and ready to play. I don't know how I
Dan,
feel
how does
about
this make you feel?
This is just very
slimily caressing my ex-boyfriend. I think we should turn all the cameras off, clean up, and then do something a little bit safer. Squishies.
Such judgmental lies.
I don't think the squishy's going to be anywhere near as terrifying. I don't think they're going to stick to us like they're trying to suck the flesh off our bones. This is the first time I've ever bought squishies. I've never played with them. The closest I've probably got is I've bought a couple of little keychains, you know, those phone charms, and they look like squishy bread. I got them in Japan. But that was before the whole ASMR squishy craze. So I'm really excited to open this up and have a look at them. And Dan, do you want to come play with squishies?
The answer to that question is always yes, right?
I would think so. Oh, this is... Who cares about the squishies when you got tinsel? Dan!
Look, there's more. There's enough strands for all of us.
What's that? Borax.
Is this what we should have done? Added borax to it?
Oh, there's a card. Oh, shit. Daniel!
What?
There's instruction.
Oh shit.
Oh, shit.
May I? It's borax instructions. If slime is sticky, get some hot water in a bowl, cup anything that holds water. Get a teaspoon and add 2 teaspoons of the borax to the water and mix thoroughly until all dissolved. Dip your fingers in the mixture and knead your slime.
We don't need instructions, she says. Shame.
Ding.
No refunds or returns. I think this mistake is on you.
Put the squishies away. We gotta go back to the slime.
The slime is now one with the.
No, there's the pink one.
Oh, there's the pink slime. Okay, all right. Well, no, come on, the slime stickies. I mean squishies.
Squishies, okay.
Squishy stickies.
Come on. Dan, don't look so sad.
It's gonna make your neck super itchy, but
Dan!
it's worth it.
Dan! Dan! Oh, there's another note. Oh shit.
More instructions.
Care sheet. Only applicable if you have bought slime. Borax.
Don't eat it. Apparently you need a slime activator.
I mean, we activated the slime.
Was opening it not activating
We
it?
also activated chaos.
Wait, so we're doing the slime?
No,
We're not gonna
what
do the squishies? Squishies are safe. Okay, alright, we're gonna go back to the slime.
Alright.
What? No.
Get the
no,
tinsel off the table.
Squishy.
Squishies?
Squishies.
Alright, I just need some consistency. 3, 2, 1. Perfect.
Alright guys, so the first squishy that I got is a giant peach, and
Smells like peach. Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Oh, sh-
It smells like peach!
Hold on, does this smell like a unicorn?
What do unicorns smell like?
Apparently, like.
Oh
What's
no!
that?
It smells like butter!
Like butter and butter
This is-
popcorn?
oh my god!
Whoa.
Okay. Oh, my nails are so. Can you squish it? My nails are terrible right now.
Just down.
Now it is very slow rising, which I believe is the correct terminology. It's very pleasing.
That's just satisfying. Like straight up satisfying.
Okay,
So
that's sick.
satisfying.
That's really cool.
I'm sorry, I cannot get
I
over
know.
the smell. It
my
is
God,
like a
it-
peach. It's amazing.
It smells like peach. Okay, so the next one is this little strawberry, which comes on a keychain, so you can use it on a bag or something if you want.
No, lift it back up. Lift it back up. A little bit strawberry. A little bit.
Yeah, it does smell like strawberry. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna squish the strawberry. Ready? Wow. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, I like that one. The next one is this milk bottle. We'll watch how this one squishes. Yep, that's nowhere near
fast
as
rising.
That's fast rising. Yep, that's nowhere near as low.
And then Dan, the
beat the crap out of it.
the man of subtlety, just
Okay, so the next one is the unicorn, which is very cute. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you
I don't know, but
taking
I
him?
want to see.
You're smelling him.
Yeah, it's like
It smells like
Butter?
butter. That one's kind of faster rising than the other ones. The next one's this milk bottle, and again, it has a little charm on it, so you can hang it off something. Okay, let's give it a squish. Okay, and that's kind of fast rising too. Next, we have, this is so cute. It's a frappe. So it's got whipped cream on top and a little straw, and it's meant to be like a Starbucks frappe. Oh, look at that.
that looks good.
That looks so good. My basic white girl. Smells, I don't know, kind of like fruity. Berry? Yes.
Like a berry body wash.
Mixed berry and yeah, a little bit.
Okay, I have two more. The next one is this little cat paw, which is, that's really, that's so cute. It's little toe beans.
That is
Kind of fast
so
rising.
small.
It is
So
so
cute.
small.
Small and
Small
cute.
and cute. And the last one is Hello Kitty Toast, which is very cute too. That's actually super cute.
I feel
Let's
like
give
this
that a
is gonna be
squish.
fast.
Oh no, it's
Medium?
slow.
Moderate.
It's moderate rising. Not slow rising, it's moderate rising. So how about we just like put, this is something that I see the squishy queens do. They put all of the squishies in the frame and then they, oh.
I don't know. Yeah, let's just really get them. Get them. Just bonding. Real amalgamation of all the squish. And
Yeah.
there you go. I like it.
That's the way you're meant to do
I like
it.
it.
Yeah, I
That-
like
that
it.
worked out
Looks
well.
good.
That worked
So my first impressions of playing with squishies is they're a lot of fun, especially the ones that smell nice, like the peach and the unicorn. Here, let's give the peach some more. So there's one more squishy that I'm really excited about. Now, I think that this one's gonna be really slow rising, and I think it's scented too. All right, so if we squish it. Oh, look at that. That is so slow rising. This is actually a lot of fun, and they're super cute, and especially the ones that smell good. That is literally the coolest thing ever. And look at these slow rising ones. That is so cool. I completely get it now. I completely get why people are obsessed with squishies.
It's sticky and messy and will ruin everything.
Me, being the idiot that I am, thought that I could just take the slime out of the box and play with it. But apparently that's not how things work these days. So this says how to make slime activator. So apparently there's an activator. Add a teaspoon of borax in a cup. Yeah, we did that. Mix until it's dissolved. Add a teaspoon of this mixture to the slime and knead with your hands until it's not sticky. I'm nervous. I'm really nervous to touch this again after what happened earlier.
Do you want a teaspoon of this in there?
Anywhere that I touch it with that stuff, it doesn't stick to my hands.
We know what we did wrong now.
Oh, I think I added too much of the boraxy stuff.
Well, hold on, will it stick to me? Oh.
We broke it.
No,
We broke the slime.
It's fine. Everything is.
We broke the slime. No.
Hang on, let's just
Everything is fine.
wash the borax off.
Dan, that is not
Yes.
how it works.
I think we're about 14 years too old for this, and that's why it's not working.
Did you think that was a good idea?
We definitely broke it. It's crumbling now into a million small little slimy pieces. I'm sorry, Slime Paradise Co. I think I'm gonna have to place another order and do it right next time, because this first attempt at playing with slimes definitely did not work.
We don't know what we were doing, but we had fun anyway.
We had fun, and I guess that's
That's
what
all
you
that
want
matters.
at the end of the day. So my final thoughts about slime. What do you do? We're throwing the slime in the bin, Archie, because we broke it. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for bearing with us while we absolutely failed at our very first ASMR video. That's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Mwah!